Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over the short-term and the long-term time frames for Bitcoin. Give you guys an update. What could possibly be going on? We have a change in price. It's going down. And those $3,000 Bitcoin people are out. They're out. They're already saying, I told you so. I told you so. Right? Well, we're not quite there yet. We still got a ways to go down to that area. And by the way, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. My YouTube videos are being filtered out of YouTube search. They appear in the search results for like 3 or 4 hours. And if I'm lucky, like some other coins that people aren't interested in, Google, or not Google, but YouTube will hook me up and keep that at the top for a little bit longer, but nobody's looking for it, so it doesn't really help me out. All right, guys, so I just help me out, man, and hit the like, hit the subscribe button. All right, here's the deal with Bitcoin. Let's go out to the 4-hour chart, take a look at that. A couple ways you can look at that right here. So this could be the 1, 2, here's your 3, here's a 4, and here's a 5, like that. Okay. There's also some that are saying this is A, B, and coming down for a C. We will see where this is going to end up. I have targets of 16,000, this area, just breaking that low, and then as low as 15,000 for 200, more or less. The reason I have these targets, I'm going to show you guys something. If you check this out, one, it hits Fibonacci areas in this for me on Bitcoin, this area right here. So the reason why I'm picking that area, this area right here on top of that area, is if you come, I'm going to show you, see that area I have highlighted? I'm going to show you guys in a 2-hour chart. If you take a look at this on this move right here with Bitcoin, the 4th wave target area of its last wave. Okay, so here's Bitcoin's 3rd wave. You see, this is a 3rd wave right here. So you can go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? There's a 3rd wave right there. And within the 3rd wave, this is the bottom of the 4th wave, where is the target? You can see on this wave, it went back to that 4th wave and did a bounce up, and now it's correcting back down to this wave. So Bitcoin has to correct all of this. Okay, you see Bitcoin did a massive move of 1,374%. So Bitcoin has to correct that wave, guys. I mean, that's what it has to do. So within this 3rd wave is another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Okay. This is just, this wave doesn't go with anything. That's why I skipped it. Okay. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. So that's a 4th of this sequence. This is a 4th within the smaller sequence of that area. Okay, that's why I'm looking at that area as an area where Bitcoin may be going, stopping to right there, guys, right in that area. Okay, and you can't really see it right now. It's already at the top of this significant area right there, and then you have right over here, guys. So that's why I'm picking that area. So let's go down into this wave and take a look at this, see what could be going on. We got a 2-hour chart for you guys. And we'll just break this down and see if we can find out what the heck is going on with Bitcoin. Okay, so on the 2-hour chart, you see you have a trend on the RSI. Boom. More than likely, that's all one wave. More than likely, all that's one wave right there, and it's breaking the trend. So this could be a correction right there. So maybe that's a wave 1. Okay, you can see the pattern there, similar pattern there. So that could be a wave 1. So that can give us a target possibly with Bitcoin if this is going to be a 5-wave sequence. Now, you have to realize too, you have to try to be unbiased, not put any biases in there. So as an example, you know, Bitcoin could do this 1, 2, 3, 4, and boom, do like some sort of diagonal, right? And fake us all and fake the bears out right now. I'm bearish right now. I have bearish a bias. But I always make sure, okay, what if this is bullish? Is there a possibility it could do something? So you want to realize that it could do that. It could make a diagonal and shoot up there to say 25,000. Don't think so. I don't think so. So let's break this down with the RSI, guys, on the 2-hour chart. You see, we have with Bitcoin something there. Let me go to the 1-hour chart. Take a look at that now. Okay, so it's slowing up in there. You see with the area in the RSI, it's looking like correction there. Let's check this out. Correction in this area. So more than likely, let me get a fib on this one. Okay, 2.618, there's 1.618. And you see how the momentum's slowing up on the RSI right here. So more than likely, this is like a 5th wave because of momentum. Now, here's the deal, guys. With these lower time frames of 1 hour and less than 45 minutes, you can get a lot of false readings with this. So you have to be careful with the lower time frames. Just let you guys know that when you're looking at the lower time frames. It's good for if you want to do shorter time frame trades and stuff like that. You want to do that, but you want to be careful of that. But it's looking like it came up to a correction. So more than likely, this is like a 1, 2, and then 3, 4. That's probably a 5 to do a correction. And then right behind it is likely a 1, 2. This would be the 2, and then 3, and maybe up for 4, and then down for 5 like that. Okay. So we can count that possibly as a wave 1, something like that. Okay. Now we can get like maybe a target, see where this thing's going to go, more or less. This is just an estimate. Nothing's guaranteed. Nothing is going to be guaranteed. So get a target up there. Let's say it could retrace. That 2 could go all the way up there, guys. You have to realize that. So here's the deal. This 2, let's say this is a 1. This 2 could go all the way back up there, or it could just go right there. We just don't know yet. So this is all speculation on my part right now, just to get an idea. But let's say the 2 goes to, that area. Okay, the 2 retraces back up to 20,800 more or less, or something like that. So 1, 2, so like this, 1, 2, and then this would be the area right here, 3, up for 4, and for 5, like that. So right down into the box is a potential target. Now you have to realize too, it could extend. It could extend down here. Okay, 2.618. But if this count is correct, if this is an extended first wave, like what it did, if it's going to extend out, more than likely the 3rd wave is not going to extend. Only 1 wave extends in a 5-wave sequence, guys. So what that means is if wave 1 extends, there's a really good chance the 3rd wave and the 5th wave will not extend. Typically, this wave is the wave extends. Like over here, if I show you guys over on this one, this move right here, you see that wave? That wave extended, but the first and within that wave, that wave did not extend. That 3rd wave extended. So that's how I'm looking at it right now, just going off the top of my head for this, of what's going on. But you can see in the RSI in this 4-hour chart, more than likely, just based on that, that's all 1 wave sequence right there. That's all wave 1 sequence. You can see it on the RSI. So you just take your trend line like so. Once it busts past out of there, then, that would probably be a significant correction for it, like maybe a 2nd wave. Okay. So kind of on track to what I'm expecting it to go to. Now this, I gotta let you guys know where this, this $10,000 deal is coming from. I'll show you. Okay. Just let you guys know, give you a heads up. You take it off log, boom, you go like that. And then you retrace it like this. This is where they're getting it, guys. Okay. Boom, boom. And they're going 1 to 1. There you go. See, 11,000, 1 to 1. Let's see. Let me make sure I have that right. And up there, yeah, more or less in that area. That's where they're getting it, just like this. They're saying that's A, B, C. I don't like that method at all, guys, because I don't see cryptocurrencies. They hit logarithmic Fibonacci levels. You can double check. It's always a good idea to double check your Fibonacci's on log and off log to see if you can get any clues about that. That's always a good idea. But I just want to let you guys know that Bitcoin is just continuing to go down a little bit, and let's see where it is going to end up. It's slow mover so far, but if that's the first wave, it's just getting warmed up. It's just getting warmed up. We'll see what this 3rd wave is going to do. If it is that, like I said, Bitcoin can always surprise people and go boom, boom, boom. Okay, keep that in the back of your mind whenever you're thinking about things. You don't have just one bias towards one thing. Keep both options open. All right. You made it all the way to the end. Do me a huge favor. Drop a like, hit the subscribe. Peace.